Hi, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Asia Monet. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so just excuse how I'm looking and how I'm feeling right here in this video because your girl just woke up from a nap, okay? And my kids was real life stressing me out, okay? And plus, YouTube, on top of that, it's just making it worse because I played music all through this video, so I wouldn't have to do a voiceover. But every time I uploaded my video, it said it was not being monetized. And I would put the copyright claims and the song and everything in the description box, and it still was saying that. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to just do a voiceover. Forget it. Like, it's just too much editing and having to delete, and just it was just too much. People don't know how much work YouTube is. They be like, what you do for a living? I do YouTube. If you just said that, people look at you like you crazy. Like, unless you got millions or thousands of followers, they gonna look at you like you fucking crazy. Like, excuse my language, but yeah. I find it easier to just get all my hair out the way. Back to the video. I'm sorry about my little rant, but we're gonna get back to that. But I find it easier to get all the hair out the way, and then cut my ear tabs first. And also with the baby hair, I also section that out before I start the install, and I just clip it back. Also, to get the hair out the way, you can just do what I just did and spray you some got to be glued freeze spray or whatever to just mold the hair back. I might just start customizing my wigs like on my mannequin head or whatever before I install, because some girls, all they have to do when they get on video is just put their wig on and it's just ready to go because they already done like customized it on the mannequin head. But I kind of like doing things on my head for some reason, and so you guys can see when I'm doing it in the mirror. I'm like, they should be able to see this right now, you know. So I just sit down and record everything for you guys, because I'm the type when I want to learn how to do something, I need to see all the steps. I need to see detail by detail, step by step, what you're doing. Okay, so here's my Chic Bond adhesive glue. Let me tell you, this is the truth. This is the next day. I don't never wear my wigs like for days. And this wig made it through the night. Baby hairs made it through the night. All I had on was a bonnet. Okay, and listen, my hair has held up with this method right here that I'm about to show y'all. So I just go piece by piece and wait till the glue is clear. I blow dry it on cool, and then I just wait for that to dry and move on to the next section. I'm kind of impatient, so I do 2 sections at a time after this. On each temple, I spread it out, making it like a thin, even layer. You don't want chunks of glue like kicked up on your head. You want it to be like a thin, even layer, okay? And you can just use whatever. I mostly use the end of my rat tail comb or like a popsicle stick to flatten that right on out. And then, like I said, I get my blow dryer on cool and blow dryer till it's clear. And then I also pull my wig forward so I can get it lined up with the glue, because sometimes it's just like not working how I want it to work. So yeah, after that I'm just gonna push it into my hairline with a comb or either a brush. I usually do it with like a bristle brush because it works better and it gets like a smooth application for what I'm trying to do. And I use the back of the comb also. So I'm just gonna talk through like the whole thing because obviously the music stopped playing, like the copyright how it's playing earlier on in the video. The copyright is just like not it. So I'm just gonna talk to y'all through the whole thing. I hope y'all enjoy voiceovers because I got like what this video is like 14 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep on doing the same thing with the glue and pressing it down. Wait till it's clear with the blow dryer on cool. Alright, you guys. So yeah, how are y'all today? Did y'all subscribe? Did y'all like the video? Like, are y'all liking my content? I'm being consistent here, okay? Just A for effort. I always say that, okay? Because listen, I've been putting in the work. I've been editing. I've been putting up YouTube, and I've been getting these hairstyles down, okay? So just let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Support your girl and definitely subscribe because I plan on having these installs with the hair going like back to back. Okay, so just stay tuned for everything that I have to film. So I always say this is how you get the best melt with your lace. Usually I cut my lace off and then I spray it, then lay my wig down. But today I just chose to leave my lace on because I am using glue. So yeah, I just got my band from Walmart, like I always tell you guys. Then I'm gonna spray my hair with some Tresemme heat protectant and use my wax stick to go in between my hair and just get the top of my head flat, so it just won't be like a helmet on my head. Okay. I don't know if I told you guys in this video, but I got my elastic band from Walmart. You get it from like the craft store or anywhere like that. It's very inexpensive. No hair company has sent me an elastic band yet, I don't think. But yeah, just continue to press the hot comb against the root of your hair and pull your hair out a little bit so it won't be like a lot of heat against your scalp when you do this process. So I'm just going to keep on doing this process, making sure I have a tight grip on my hair and then like just pressing the hot comb into my hair, because sometimes it gets hot, but I want it like super hot, like hot, like can't even put my hand to it, you know. But it still got flat with the product I use, and I also use like the got to be glue spray also with the wax stick. And now I'm using the chase method with my comb. I usually do like with my bristle brush because I just feel like it gets in between the hair more. And I follow that with the flat iron. Y'all, I'm just jamming to my tunes right now. I don't like usually talk through my videos because my kids be so loud, and like every time I try to talk, they talk over me. So yeah, I just usually opt into doing voiceovers. Right now I'm at work because I don't got nothing to do, so I'm gonna just do this voiceover. But yeah, hopefully I quit this and become a full-time YouTuber because I'm tired of being here, as you can see. But yeah, I am just going to continue this process and continue jamming out. Okay, music is definitely therapy, especially for me. Like, I don't know about y'all, but for me it is. And the chase method works really well for a flat install, along with the hot comb and the wax stick, honey. Get into it, and I'm going to show you the compared sides because you can definitely see a difference. Y'all see the difference, right? The flat side versus the lumpy, bumpy side. Like, no. Um, I think I washed his hair, and then that's just how it felt like. It felt like body wave hair, and I'm not sure if this body wave hair. I don't never read the specs to these wigs before I upload. I just do what I got to do and customize it, okay? But yeah, I always leave the link in the description box below, so make sure y'all check that out. Um, there's nothing wrong with going over your hair with the hot comb as many times as you need to. Just don't leave it on your hair for long because you don't want to burn out pieces of your hair. Okay? And so now I'm just going in with my scissors and just cutting along my hairline. Make sure y'all don't cut too far back, and make sure you don't leave too much lace on the wig. Okay? And it's always going to be like a little white cast right there when you opt to cut the lace off last after you applied your adhesive. But that's okay. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna get into it, honey, and you won't even notice that white line after I get done installing this wig. Period. So just be really careful when you do this. Take your time and don't rush. Okay, look into a mirror when you're doing this or whatever. I have a little mirror on my desk that I look into while I'm doing my installs. So I won't cut off too much too fast or too little. And just take your alcohol rag and clean off any glue that got cut or whatever or left on your head, because that's not cute, honey. So let's just get into this install, and you can go over the line or whatever like I'm doing here just to make sure you didn't miss any lace, because I don't like a lot of lace on my head. But yeah, right here I'm just combing out the pieces of hair that got stuck in the glue, and I'm going to take out my baby hair and spray in between that, and that's where the real melt comes in. Like, the glue is already top notch, but then the spray on top of that, like I'm about to show y'all, it's just like my hair ain't going nowhere. Like it's the next day. Like I told y'all, like it's not going nowhere. Period. And you don't want to take out too much hair. Just take out like an inch, like a little inch of the perimeter. You can't take out that much anyway, because it's a Tpart wig, so you can't really do much with it. But yeah, y'all see what I'm doing right here? Period. Like this is what's really gonna melt it. Plus the band and then the blow dryer. So I'm not even gonna use all that hair. I just use like a little. I'll put the rest of the hair back when I'm done. What's it called? When I'm done flat ironing it. And I definitely burnt myself right here with the hot comb. So y'all just be careful about that. I'm taking my cream foundation, and I just define my part with that, and make sure your band is slid all the way to like the front of your hair, so you can get the very front with the cream foundation also. So now I'm gonna go in and cut the baby hair. I'm not gonna cut it too low because I want to flat iron it, and just be careful with this part too, because flat ironing by your head really, it's really terrifying, because I burnt myself doing that too. So just be very careful with doing that. I never did it going upward. I always curled it going inward. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Period. Yeah, get into it. And I don't even think I needed like the curl. I'm just super scared to curl by my head, basically. But I don't think I needed to curl my hair anyway. I just been seeing everybody do it, so I tried it. So and now I'm just tweezing. You see how it's real dark and real black right there? Those are the areas that you want to make sure you tweeze, and just make sure it's like your baby hair needs to be thin, not so thin that it ain't nothing there no more, but thin so you won't see like the black line of demarcation in your baby hairs. And also go in between using the brush and the comb with this, because the comb really like shapes the hair, and then the brush side really like smooths it down. I think this is the best I ever done my baby hair. Like, and so I put my elastic band on, and I just let that sit. You can also blow dry it while you're waiting, and that's just even better. I already flat ironed my hair, but I'm just trying to get like a little bump into it, because I see that they put layers into this wig. They did the highlights, period, and then they did the layers, and I'm just here for all of it. Okay, that's just that on that. So boom, period. Get into it. Okay, definitely cute. Definitely feeling this install. This is like my best install so far. Like, no cap. Just like the flowiness of it, the flatness of it, the sleekness of it, the layers, the highlights, all that. The baby hairs come through. Period. I was just feeling myself after this. Like, no lie. Uh, yeah, I think this is the best install I've done thus far. And it's gonna get better from here. And I forgot to show you guys the package that it came in. Unice Hair did this thing with this wig right here. It also came with a headband, some eyelashes, and a wig cap. And that's what came in the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.